guys! Today I'm going to show you how I made these washing instruction cards. I use these on my Etsy shop and give them to every customer who buys clothing from me. First, I created a template on Canva. You can look for inspiration on there using their templates, or you can add your logo and write some text including your instructions for how to take care of the clothing that you provided. I also like to use this as my business card and add the link to my Etsy shop and social media. Here I added some common washing instructions that I found online and typed them up onto my card. Next, you're going to download your file so that you can save it to your computer and open up to print. Now to print and save paper, you can click print, go to the copies per page, and select 9. This will create 3 rows and 3 columns of the card you just made. Once you insert your cardstock paper, you can go ahead and print the cards out and you'll see that the cards are aligned in the 3 rows and columns that we just created. Once the ink on the paper is dry, you can start to cut them into individual cards. My edges came out a little bit rough on the sides, but you can use a heavy-duty paper cutter to make the edges look smoother. And that's it! You just made your own washing instruction card and can also use this as your business card. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow and helpful for your business. Thanks for watching!